It's Wednesday, September 2nd, 2015, and I'm up late today. The System 2 was good for 200 ticks this morning, and I also called the Euro perfectly. The System 2 for that, it was good for, I'm not sure how many ticks that one was good for. Actually, I believe that one was good for even more than 200, but I'm not sure about that. I have to take a look at it. But they're both good, and for a lot of ticks as well. So I nailed it perfectly, my prediction within the charting service that I have. I just didn't wake up for the trade. It comes really early for me in the morning, and I don't like getting up for it, but I will. This morning I just couldn't do it. Anyway, I'm about to use System 1 here and take some trades, and I can make money taking trades with System 1 or System 2, anything I want. I could also trade anytime I want. Of course, this is the best time, the USA market time right here. But the Euro's good too, so they're all good, really. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to take some trades. Okay, I've taken a short position here. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to go set the stop. Stop set at 43.98. Preparing a break-even stop at 43.85. I know this is going to be tight, but this thing is not acting right. 43.85. Where's it at right now? Come on, just break down one time. Okay, I'm placing it now. Stop is in place. Okay, break even stop. I'm gonna play this one real tight. It's at a bottom right now, and it's not breaking the bottom for some reason. Whenever it does that, it's likely to pop back up again, and I don't want to ride it back up. There it goes. See, now it is popping back up. What it'll do is it'll use another entry to either go back short or even go long again. But I don't have one right now. And what happened is, well, it still hasn't played out yet, but if it goes up now, it'll just have gone shallow is all. And I don't want to ride it back up. Yep, it's going up. Actually, it's offset by 2. So you see, sometimes playing aggressive with your break-even stops does pay off. Because when they work, they just work. You don't have to really struggle or fight. And when it just doesn't look right, you can always just break even. What's the big deal? You just take another entry again. Keeps you from losing as many times. It's always good to protect your account at all times. Okay, I'll be back. I'm going to take some more trades. I've taken a short position here. Let me set the stop. I'll be right back. Stop set at 43.89. 9 ticks. Okay, I will be right back. I'm going to be looking to put a break-even stop on this trade. But I'll be right back to show it to you. Or is it? No, I need to get it like 10 ticks and I'll put a break-even stop on it. Come right back. Sure is choppy, isn't it? Go down, come up, go down, come up. It's choppy down here. The reason why is it's because it's already run. It's run its full length. It might go down another 100, but because it's been running that lately. But this is somewhat rare, so it's hard to believe that it'll keep doing it every day. But it's down at the bottom of its range, so it doesn't have a whole lot more to go. But I'm just trying to sneak 20 ticks out of it if I can get it. Or at least let me get a break-even stop on this thing. Okay, here we go. I'm going to put a break-even stop at 43.79. 43. Never mind. It just got me out. Okay, well, I didn't know it was going to make a big drop like that, or I would have went for more ticks. Okay. Let me pause the video. I'll come back and take some more trades. But as you can see, the system got me in right before, it makes a nice move. Goes in the right direction. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, I'll be back. I've taken a short position here. I'm going to set a stop. I'll be right back. Okay, stop set at 58. Kind of a big stop. I'll be right back. Just want to check something really fast. It might be offset. I think it is. It's kind of weird because it was offset before too, but then it changed just a little bit ago. So I didn't think it would still be offset. Maybe it isn't. Maybe it's going to come down here now. We'll see. We'll see how it plays out. But anyway, either way, I'm just going to keep taking the system 1 trades, and I'll come out way ahead today. That's the beautiful thing about it. Okay, it came and stopped me. It was offset by 2. The funny thing about that is it didn't change. It's still offset by 2. It was offset by 2 before, just a little while ago. I did not consider that it would still be this way. I jumped out in front of it. I'm going to take another trade. I'll be right back. Okay, I have taken a short position here. I'll be right back. You know what? The stop is going to be the full 20 on this particular one. The market is moving. This is the reason why. So, normally I don't play that big, but it's moving, which means that I could adjust my exit a bit more than what it is. But I'm just going to try playing just with the 20 for right now. To keep the math higher. If I increase the exit more, the math naturally will go down more. I don't want the math to go down. I want to keep the math high. So the 20 will keep it high. And you definitely need to have the high math if you're going to be using these high stops as well. If the stop was only half that, then I could afford to lower the math down a little bit. But with the stops as high as they are, the math also needs to be high. Or you won't get anywhere. You either break even or even lose. I'll be right back. I'll place a break-even stop on this when it gets about 10 ticks or so. There it is. There's 10 ticks. Okay, let's place it. 43.60 on the stop. 43.60 on the stop. Break-even stop in place. Can't lose on the trade. Just need to go down a few more ticks and I'm out. When the market's moving as much as it is, like this, you don't need to worry about getting out early. Just let it go. Mathematically should make those 20 ticks. And you need those 20 ticks because my stop is almost at 20 ticks as well. Actually, this particular one is at 20 ticks. So every time you lose that 20, you got to have a win that's going to, compensate for that 20 loss. And then you need to have your math high so you win more times than you lose, so you come out ahead. Normally, I can play with 20 and get my stop down to about 10, 12. But if the market's moving, I can't. I mean, it's really moving. So, and the system itself tells you where to place your stop. So that's dependent upon the system itself, depending upon that day. Almost there. Let me take a look at the system here. Where did it go to? 43, and I'm at 41. 2 ticks. At this point, I could go for more. Let me adjust it for a little bit more. Let's see. Take it down from 41. Let's take it down. I'm going to take it down to 30. I'll take it down to 31. That's an extra 10. Extra 10 ticks. Uh-oh, it's popping all the way back up here on me. Oh, it came 2 ticks away from my exit. It can't even hit it. It's moving though. At least it's moving. That's a good thing. You get a market that's moving like this, you'll hit your exits. It may not do it every time, but as a general rule, you'll hit your exits. It's the markets that aren't moving that really get you. Okay, this is taking a long time. I don't want to take forever on the video here. I'll pause the video, come back, show you what happens. It might hit the break-even stop, might go all the way back down. We'll see. I'm about to get another signal here, so I'll either hold on to it or take another entry. It's going to hit my break-even stop. Okay, so I'm out. I'm going to take another entry here. I'll be right back. Okay. Okay, I've got another short entry here. I have taken the position. I'm going to set the stop. I'll be right back. Stop set at 43.62. Keeping that one down to 11 ticks. Okay, I'll be right back. Oh, this one looks like it's going to be offset. If it is, I'll have to, it'll hit my stop and then I'll reverse position, or I'll take a position to go long if it does. So if it hits my stop, I will take a position to go long if it does. Because that'll mean that it's just simply offset. I could have waited for it, but I thought it would go down, so I jumped on it. I'll be right back. Okay, I have taken a long position. It did come up and hit my stop, so I have gone long. It is an offset, and this should be an easy 20 ticks going back up, which will put me back up, and I'll just keep taking trades. Be right back. Stop has been adjusted to 49. Be right back. Okay, I'm going to place a break-even stop on this, 43.64. $43.64, placing it now. Alright, stops in place. Now we're just letting it go. It's either going to come back and hit the break-even stop, or it's going to go up and hit the exit. One of the two. Watching it though, we might get a reversal position here. Let's see if it can hit the exit before it does that. I'm just going to let it go, not going to get out early. You got to hit your exits, and the only way to hit them is to go for them. And the market's moving, so it should be able to hit the exit, no problem. Didn't hit it last time, came 2 ticks away, true. But you can't start playing afraid. You must hit your exits. It'll hit. Right back. Okay, it's out. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to take another entry here. I'll be right back. Okay, I have taken a short position here. I'm going to play this one real conservative. As soon as I get out ahead, placing a break-even stop, preparing it now. Stop is going to be set to 43.84. 43.84 on the stop. Where are we at? 43.84. Taking a look at it. Okay, looking good. All right, placing. Let me take a C here. Yeah, I'm going to place it. All right, this is a real conservative tight trade. The math on this isn't super good. Only way is if it's going to come all the way down and hit real quick. Otherwise, it's going to chop back up and come hit me. But I can't take the risk because it's too much risk that it'll keep on going higher. But if it happens to want to come down enough to hit me and get me out, then I make a successful trade. But I knew I could take an entry and get the break-even stop on it and then not have to worry about it. And that's exactly what I just did. I'll try to explain this trade in my charting today. Over and over again, do you see this exact thing happen? The only question is will it come down 20 ticks? That I can't say. But there's a chance, so I'm going for it. Okay, I will be right back. Okay, it's going for the exit here. Went down to 71. I'm at 66. Almost there. Almost there. There we go. Okay, so there you go. And the thing is that when I took that entry, I'll explain this today in my charting service. When I took that entry, okay, my stop was going to be very small. My stop would have only been about 5-6 ticks or so. That's it. That's all it was going to be. That's why I jumped in right there, because I knew that I had a very small stop with a very high likelihood of it going down based upon it being offset. which you see over and over and over again within my charting. That's why my charting could be so effective, because when you study how it works, when you go out there and you see it, it's easy to take these trades and be successful with them over and over and over again. Okay, I will be back shortly to take more trades. Okay, everyone, I need to call it a day today. I'm getting behind over here. I've got a lot of emails coming in and questions, and I need to catch up. And so I'm going to call it a day today, and tomorrow I'll be up early, and I'll catch the System 2, and this will get me like 100 ticks. I would have made 100 ticks very easily every day this week. I just having a hard time getting up in the morning. Anyway, I'll start doing it and start showing it to you so that you can see how powerful System 2 is and what I'm doing in my charting. I'm nailing it every day in my charting service. So something you really want to be a part of if you want to start making the big money at this. As you can see, though, also System 1 works quite well. It's just that System 2 is superior to it, and I like to use that instead of the System 1. But the System 1 you're always using for your entries anyway into the System 2. You just need to know how it works. Anyway, by all means, come over to the site, take a look at what we have to offer you, and get yourself started with the videos, and then get into the charting, and you will see that everything that I'm doing you can also do, and even far better, because I don't have a whole lot of time to put into this because I'm so busy with the website itself. Anyway, I will be back tomorrow to take the earlier trade, the System 2, and take advantage of it with a big trade like I want to start doing every day, and show it to you. And I'll be back tomorrow. So I hope you traders are being inspired, and for those of you who are a part of this already, that you are learning from what I'm doing and it's helping you, and that you also are being successful, which I know many of you are, which I'm happy about. Anyway, I'll be back tomorrow. Happy trading out there, traders.